Navigating a bustling hub like John F. Kennedy Airport after a long flight can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you are just trying to find your ride. It is a common question, and thankfully, the process is designed to be straightforward once you know where to look. For Uber and other rideshare services at John F. Kennedy Airport, you will meet your driver at specific, designated ride app pickup zones located outside of each terminal. These areas are clearly marked to ensure a smooth and efficient connection between passengers and drivers. These dedicated zones are a crucial part of the airport's strategy to streamline ground transportation, reduce congestion, and ensure a smooth experience for everyone. By centralizing rideshare pickups, the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, which manages JFK, helps maintain order and efficiency across the terminals, making it easier for both drivers and passengers to connect quickly and safely. Once you have collected your luggage, simply follow the overhead signs for ground transportation or ride app pickup as you exit your terminal. Your Uber app will automatically detect your location once you have landed and guide you to the correct pickup zone for your specific terminal. Often, these zones are located on the arrivals level, curbside, or in a designated parking area directly adjacent to the terminal. Many terminals at JFK are also connected by the AirTrain, so if your designated pickup is a short AirTrain ride away, the app will clearly indicate this. Pay close attention to the app's instructions, as it will tell you the exact post or bay number within the zone where your driver will meet you. This precision helps you and your driver find each other quickly amidst the activity. Remember to double-check the car's license plate, make, and model, as well as your driver's photo, before getting into any vehicle. A helpful tip for JFK is that while most pickups are curbside, some terminals might direct you to a centralized lot accessible via a short walk or the free AirTrain, especially during peak times or for specific types of rideshare vehicles. The key is always to relying on the real-time instructions provided by your Uber app, as airport layouts and traffic flows can occasionally lead to minor adjustments. Also, be aware of the airport's policy to avoid soliciting rides from unofficial drivers. Always use the app to ensure your safety and fair pricing. By following the signs and trusting your Uber app, you will navigate the rideshare pickup process at John F. Kennedy Airport with ease. This organized system is designed to minimize stress and get you on your way quickly, letting you focus on the excitement of your destination or the comfort of heading home after your travels.